Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making baked tilapia with lemon and dill. Ingredients: for the tilapia, 4 tilapia fillets, about 6 ounces each, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 lemon, zested and juiced, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon dried dill or 1 tablespoon fresh dill, finely chopped, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste. For the lemon-dill sauce, 1/4 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon lemon zest, 1 tablespoon fresh dill, finely chopped, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preparing the tilapia. 1. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees, 200 degrees. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or lightly grease it with a bit of olive oil. Season the fillets. Pat the tilapia fillets dry with paper towels. Place them on the prepared baking sheet. 3. Prepare the marinade. In a small bowl, combine the olive oil, lemon zest, lemon juice, minced garlic, dried dill or fresh dill, paprika, salt and pepper. Mix well. 4. Marinate the fish. Brush the marinade evenly over both sides of the tilapia fillets. 5. Bake. Bake in the preheated oven for 12-15 minutes, or until the fish flakes easily with a fork and is opaque in the center. Preparing the lemon-dill sauce. Mix the sauce. In a small bowl, combine the plain Greek yogurt, fresh lemon juice, lemon zest, fresh dill, salt and pepper. Stir until well combined. 2. Serve. Serve the baked tilapia fillets hot, with a generous spoonful of the lemon-dill sauce on top. Why this recipe is good for diabetics and healthy eaters. 1. Low in carbohydrates. Tilapia is a lean protein source that contains minimal carbohydrates, making it an excellent choice for diabetics who need to manage their blood sugar levels. By incorporating low-carb ingredients like lemon and dill, this recipe ensures that it remains a healthy option. 2. High in protein. Protein is essential for maintaining muscle mass and supporting overall health. Tilapia is rich in high-quality protein, which helps keep you full and satisfied, making it easier to manage weight and control blood sugar levels. 3. Healthy fats. Olive oil, used in the marinade, is a source of healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats are known to improve heart health, which is particularly important for diabetics, who are at a higher risk of cardiovascular disease. 4. Rich in antioxidants. Lemons are packed with vitamin C and other antioxidants that help protect the body against oxidative stress. Antioxidants are beneficial for overall health and can help reduce inflammation, a common issue for those with diabetes. 5. Low calorie. This recipe is low in calories, making it a perfect choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight. The Greek yogurt-based sauce provides a creamy texture without adding excessive calories or unhealthy fats. 6. Supports digestive health. The fresh dill in the recipe is not only flavorful, but also supports digestive health. It can help reduce bloating and improve digestion, contributing to overall well-being. 7. Easy to prepare. Healthy eating often requires time and effort, but this recipe is quick and easy to prepare, making it suitable for busy individuals looking to maintain a healthy diet without spending hours in the kitchen. Baked tilapia with lemon and dill is a nutritious and delicious option for anyone looking to eat healthily, especially those managing diabetes. Its combination of lean protein, healthy fats, and antioxidant-rich ingredients makes it a balanced meal that supports overall health. Enjoy this flavorful dish as part of a balanced diet and reap the benefits of its wholesome ingredients. If you enjoyed watching this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day!